In this video, I will show you how to master lighting and shadow effects using flow prompts to transform your artificial intelligence generated images from flat to cinematic. Achieving the perfect look starts with telling the engine exactly where your light source is located. This creates realistic highlights and depth that make your subjects pop off the screen. If you want a moody silhouette look, you should use the term backlighting. In your prompt box, type that you want strong backlighting and rim lighting tracing the outline of the subject while casting long dramatic shadows forward. This creates a mysterious and professional appearance. For something more intense and artistic, try side lighting to achieve a split face look. You can use terms like high contrast side lighting and cinematic chiaroscuro aesthetic to ensure there are heavy shadows on one side of the face. This technique adds incredible dimension and a sense of drama to any portrait. If you are going for a harsher and more industrial vibe, you should direct the engine to use overhead lighting. By specifying harsh top-down overhead lighting, you will generate dramatic shadows under the eyes and chin, which results in a very moody and grounded atmosphere. By mastering these specific phrases, you gain total control over the environment of your digital art. Experiment with these different angles to see how light changes the entire story of your image. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these tips help you create some truly stunning visuals today.